fixed it. Hopefully this ride goes well. It's kind of rushed because I'm in a good mood, I guess. I had work earlier today. As I was leaving for work, I realized that my new gas cap got delivered. So I was excited that it was here, but like bummed I had to go to work. So I wasted my day there. And then as soon as I got home, I got to work on this. And I got the old gas cap out, put the new one in. Not an easy process, and I'm pretty sure I'm now legally able to say that I am a qualified surgeon because of the way I had to get it out, but I did get it. I got it switched out, so now I have a keyless one so that that problem doesn't happen again. You can't rush shut if there's no key. So that problem is now solved. I also am gonna try to get the screen light, but I also, hopefully I don't, oh bruh, what is that? That's an Aprilia. Damn, I have not seen him around here before. I'm hoping I make it to Sheets. I've been on empty for 7.5 miles. I saw you can go 20 in an R6, about 20 miles with the gas light on before you're screwed. I think that's what I did before in the one video where it came on and I accidentally tested it out. So I'm gonna try to make it to the Sheets. Hopefully, I should be fine. It's not that far. And now I'm gonna try to remember what I was saying. So I got home from work. I ate for the first time, 5 o'clock, you know, and then got this switched out. It was a little sketchy, but I got it switched out. Pretty sure I told that story now, so I'm gonna think again. Okay, so I got it switched out. I was excited and happy about it because, you know, now I can put gas in my main bike again, and I don't go deaf when riding. It's still loud, but like not nearly as loud as the 650, which is nice. And I can be confident that you guys can hear me. Why am I? Oh, my screen. Thank you. I'm confident that you guys can hear me, and like I don't have to yell as much over the bike. So I'm in a good mood because I got this fixed. And when I get in like the squirrely mood where I'm all excited and I just want to get riding, I tend to forget things because I just hurry up and rush out the door, which originally I did. I started to walk out the door and realized my GoPro wasn't attached to my helmet, which happens more often than it should, but like it wasn't even in the case or anything. So I turned around and got that fixed, obviously. Yeah, I'm hoping everything goes well. I'm hoping this mic sounds good. I tested it out in my living room. I looked like an idiot because I just sat there talking in front of it, and then I sat and it blew on it to see what that sounded like. Felt stupid doing it. But I wanted to make sure it sounded good for you guys. And from my very scientific tests, it did. It sounded good in my quiet living room. So hopefully it sounds good right now. I will find out when I edit this. But yeah, I'll do it back. I don't care if it's on a scooter. 2 wheels is 2 wheels. There's a bunch of them out today, speaking of. But yeah, as you can tell, because thank you for doing it back on a cruiser. Very ADHD right now. Because I'm in that like excited mood, so my brain's all over the place. I'll try to focus. So you might be thinking, hey idiot, since you can't ride your R6 for like a week or two, how about you use that time to get the new tires put on that you purchased 2 months ago and have needed on for a year? how about you use that time, since you can't ride it anyways, to get those new tires put on? And to that, I would say, you know what? That's a great idea. That is why I didn't do it. But I actually have good reasoning for that. My car, I also get my car tires done at the same place. They said they would rotate them for free for me, 5,000 miles after I got them put on, which I'm only, thanks for letting me learn to dig bag, I'm only 1,000 miles away from right now. So and this place is a half hour away, so I didn't want to make a trip just for bike tires, and then shortly after make another trip for my car tires. I figured I'll just wait until my tires are ready to be rotated and knock out two birds with one stone. So that's why I didn't do it. I still should have anyways. I should have sucked it up, but there we are. And I can finally put gas in this again. So another thing, I did, last video I made and uploaded, it was in 4K, which looks so good. It looks really nice, which I'm very happy about. The only problem, it takes so long to upload in 4K. So long. Like if I have the videos in 1080 or 720p, they're about 3 gigabytes, and they take maybe like a half hour to upload onto YouTube. Like maybe a half hour. Not long at all. In 4K, it does look great, but it's triple the size. They are about 10 gigabytes on my phone, and it took 3.5 hours to upload. So, oh, that's the radio. So it wasn't fun waiting for that, but it looks much better, so I'm happy with it. Watch this, you ready? Boom. Don't even have to take my key out, which is nice. Ah, finally. Now all I gotta do, line that up. Just a second. Look at that. I don't know about you guys, but I personally think this looks much better than the other one did anyways. Also, that other one is like pure metal. I don't know what kind, but it's just like a solid chunk of metal. This one is not as much solid metal. In fact, I think the whole thing might be plastic. So, weight reduction, I'm gonna be way faster now, because I just shed like maybe a quarter of a pound off of the bike. So now I'm gonna be much faster. And in case you didn't pick up on it, that was sarcasm. I'm glad to finally be back on the R6. Glad I can start putting gas in again, not have to worry about that. And I'm glad with this new phone, I can make videos in 4K. I hope you guys notice the difference and really like it. I'm trying to make the best videos I can for you, so that's definitely a huge improvement. Is them being much higher quality. So I'm very happy about that. I hope you guys like the difference. Again, I wish it didn't take as long to upload as it does. It's a huge pain. But if it makes the videos a lot better, then it's worth it. So I will take it. And I was quickly reminded that I could have taken that time to change the rectifier as well, because my ass is being heated up. And to be completely honest, that one I wasn't putting off. I genuinely forgot. I know right now my plan is to go home and edit this immediately and get it uploaded. So if I start uploading it tonight, it should be uploaded by like December. So many bikers out today. You know, it isn't surprising. It's a beautiful day out. But I don't usually get to ride in the evenings because I'm at work. But they changed around how the hours work, so now sometimes I'm in the middle of the day, which is annoying, but riding in the evening is nice. Hey, get off your phone. think, yeah, actually, what I'm gonna do is when I get to my normal turnaround spot, I'm gonna take a picture for the thumbnail of this video with my new phone, since the camera quality is so. I would say now it probably takes me from the time I start editing from the time I start putting the videos on my phone to the time I have it fully uploaded to YouTube. Now, I'd say probably takes I want to say close to 7 hours, honestly. 6 or 7 hours. It's a pretty long process, but like I said, I want them to be as good as they can. Oh, well, this is awkward. Kind of. I want to get it in front of the sunset. I wonder if they're like, she's like learning to ride, or because that's the best way to do it, is have someone that knows how to ride the bike to like a big empty lot like this, and then you practice on there instead of taking it on the road not knowing. She should put on clothes, not gonna lie. If you're gonna be learning how to ride a bike, I don't know for sure that's what she's doing. It's what it looks like to me from someone that's done that, like taught someone how to ride, and just from an outsider it looks like she's learning, so she should be more covered up than what she is. I mean, being on a bike in general, she should be more covered up, but just because if you go down, that's gonna hurt. Take it from someone who wrecked in shorts, and I still don't have feeling in the right side of my leg. It should be covered up, I say, with short sleeves on. Do as I say, not as I do. That's what the Army teaches. But in my defense, I don't ride in shorts anymore because of that. It makes zero sense, because when I wrecked, I had my jacket on, but I was in shorts, so I lost some feeling in my leg. It got really screwed up, but my upper body perfectly fine. Ever since then, I've done the reverse. I always wear pants, but I don't wear a jacket. So what you can take away from that is I lost some brain cells in the wreck as well. I would completely agree. A couple screws got knocked out, but here we go. Well, I enjoyed that ride. I enjoyed making this video. I hope it shows, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. But I'm starting to get a little dehydrated, and throat's starting to get sore from talking. So I'm gonna wrap this one up here. Hopefully the mic sounds nice. It should, but you never know. I won't know until I edit it, so I'll find out shortly. I hope it sounds good for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and unless something else interesting happens between now and the time I get back, I'm just gonna wrap it up here with a short little clip of me at a track day I definitely did, where I went to a track where speeding is legal, and I practiced my turning ability in the safe environment of a track while wearing full gear at a track for motorcycles. So here is that clip at the track that I took.